Welcome to our tutorial about the Break tool. First, let's select Break, and then let's select the view that I want to use the Break tool on. We can select a style of break, as well as an orientation. We can change the number of symbols and the gap size. Let's left-click on the drawing to create the first line of the break. The second click creates the second break line. I'm able to grab and drag this green dot to reposition the break from side to side. Or I can grab the line to make the break bigger if I move it to the right. If I move it to the left, I make the break shorter. A right click lets me edit the break. And to delete the break, simply right-click and choose Delete. This concludes our tutorial about the Break tool.